What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to rookie season. Today we're going to be hitting some remote streams looking for wild brook trout. Now, I've never done anything like this before. I've certainly never caught a trout on a fly rod before. In fact, I think I've only ever caught one freshwater fish on a fly rod before, but nonetheless, we're going to go in. I'm going to see if I can't figure out how to do it.
Alrighty, so we made it to the parking spot. Now we got a little bit of a hike in to get to the stream. Well, at least I can hear the water now. Alright, I had to stop for a minute because these look an awful lot like beaver chewings. And that is absolutely crazy because I can only hear the stream. I can't even see it yet. Like that's a steep hill, and there's more right along there as well. And I just never would have guessed that a beaver would be climbing this far out of the water up this steep of a hill just to get some trees for a dam. I either lost a section of my fly rod or it's in the truck. Regardless, now we need to turn back. Okay, it was in the truck. Last try. Because man, does that walk suck in oversized homemade hip boots. That's like instant drop off. That's not a hill, that's a cliff. I don't know how I'm getting down that. So we're gonna walk around a little bit and try to figure it out. Also, you can't convince me that a beaver is making it up that. No way. Looks like we found a way in. Wow. I'm gonna get a fly on and roll up my hip boots and poke around, see what we can get into. Alright, so I followed that little waterfall where the beaver dam was down to here. And we've got a nice slow moving pool right in front of me. So I gotta get rigged up here. I was all rigged up and then broke it on a tree coming in. Broke the line. So we gotta redo that. But I'm gonna get rigged up and I'm gonna fish these little eddies here and work my way up to the pond and then all the way up to what Onyx says is a waterfall. So we'll see. 4 tries on this damn knot with this tiny line, but I think I finally got it. That is some very small line and I have some really bad eyes. Oh, I just had one. Oh my God. I don't know what it was, but I just had one. And I ripped it right out of his mouth. I set that hook way too friggin' hard. Holy crap. Guys, it's working. I can't believe it. But something I'm doing is working. I can't believe it, but something I'm doing, fly fishing, is working. I shouldn't say it's working, but I should say at least it worked. for a moment. It's right there. I got all this foam right in front of me. That's where the fish is. That's where it keeps getting hit. And I just can't see it come up to it. And it's such a quick and small strike. I wonder if my fly is too big. I don't know. That's one thing that throws me off about fly fishing is how small some of these lures are, especially coming from saltwater fishing my whole life, and you're using a small lure is a 6-inch lure. It's tough for me to fathom how these people catch big trout and salmon off of something the size of a pen tip. Well, I'm calling it. Didn't catch anything. Got 2 hits. I don't know what I'm doing. I need to come out here with a buddy that knows what they're doing. See if I can't pick something up from them.
If you're filming, this would be it. It's all pretty, all colored up and everything.
Look at that. So I decided to come back with a tutor. I'm still tying my line up, and that's his 3rd one. No! Oh, I got him! Oh, that's a cool looking trout. Swam away strong. He followed it right up to the rock. And I pulled it out of the water. I saw him swim away. I just dunked it right back down in, and he went for it. Oh, I missed another one. Okay, so just got to go a little slower because they're all right in that deep pool. I think I need an even lighter rod. This is a light action. I think I really need like an ultralight. No! Okay, a little too light on the drag. Missed him. Oh my God, there's like 3 of them on it. There's like a little ledge right here, and they all are hanging out just underneath the ledge. If I just get the rod tip out enough and just kind of float it right by. Oh my God. Dude, these things are crushing it. So this is the lure, little tiny Castmaster.
Think about if they want it. If they want it, they want it.
Oh my God, I just had one. I just friggin' had one. I had one. I didn't even know I had it, so I just pulled it to do a cast. Think. Yeah, I'm filming now. Ow. I did it. Oh, I can't believe I didn't have the camera going for that. Oh man. Beautiful, beautiful wild trout. It's my first ever trout on a fly. Well, let's see if we can do it again. You'll never guess. Chub. You gotta be kidding me.
I was gonna say that one was super pretty. Oh, look at those fins all lit up.
Well, at least I finally got a fish on the fly on camera. So guys, a little bit different video today. Normally I'm not fly fishing very much, but it's something that I really want to get better at. As you can tell, I still need a lot of work, but we made improvements today. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every single time we release a video. Bunch more videos in the works coming down the line. Thank you so much. See you out there.